Romford, Gidea Park, Haroldwood, Brentwood and Chenfield. This train is formed of 9 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for Maryland, Forest Gate, Manor Park and 7 Kings should board the front 7 coaches. This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
When using the Eastern subways, please keep to the left.
For the 1449 Elizabeth Line service to Chenfield, calling at Maryland, Forest Gate, Manor Park, Ilford, 7 Kings, Goodmays, Chapel Heath, Romford, Gidea Park, Haroldwood, Brentwood and Chenfield. This train is formed of 9 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for Maryland, Forest... The next train to arrive at platform 8 will be the 1452 C2C service to platform 8 for the 1452 C2C service to Shoeburyness via Basildon. Calling at Barking, Upminster, Langdon, Basildon, Benfleet, Lee-on-Sea, Chalkwell, Westcliff, Southend Central, Southend East, Thorpe Bay and Shoeburyness. This train is formed of 8 coaches. For your safety and comfort, this station operates a no smoking policy.